On this episode, we'll be visiting Clarkston Everest Collegiate High School to learn about equipment purchased for their science program for a process known as gel electrophoresis.
My students are working on a gel electrophoresis. We received a grant from the Optimist Club in order for us to purchase the equipment. Science is trying to move toward more of the technical and real-world experience, so this electrophoresis equipment is used in industry. The experiment that they're doing right now is a way of separating out different molecules based on their charge. So they're able to visualize what happens when an electric current is drawn across the gel itself.
Today in my AP Chem lab, we're doing gel electrophoresis. We put little dye into the wells of the electrophoresis, and then we're adding charges to it to separate it out by charges.
So in this experiment we have some gel, and we put dye in the gel, and we put it in a chamber with a negative side here and a positive side here. And through the electrophoresis, the dyes that are positive should attract to the negative, and the negatives should attract to the positive.
This can be very helpful for identifying dyes, and then over the summer I was super lucky and got to do it with fish DNA, so you can use it to also identify by DNA, which they do a lot in forensic science too. So it's a very helpful process, and it's really cool to get to do it here.
Kids are being exposed to technologies that they would be using later on in life. They use electrophoresis to identify specific DNA samples. They can use it in forensic analysis, they can use it in research. Had we not been able to get this grant, we would not have been able to give them the opportunity to learn how to do this before they were able to go to college. So this is going to help them later on when they're in college.
That's all for this episode, but we've got more to share with you next time on Make Your Optimism Come True, and made possible by the Clarkston Area Optimist Club.